In this video, we take you on a tour of the accessible aft balcony room 13912. What's up, y'all? It's Jeff and Pam with You, Me, and the Sea Travels. And here is the location of the accessible aft balcony on the Norwegian Bliss. Honey, I'm home. And when the doorbell is pressed, the green indicator light comes on and a strobe light alerts you that someone is at the door. The door is automatic and stays open for approximately 30 seconds to a minute before closing. This button is to open up the door from the inside of the cabin, and there is a 110 outlet in case you have a mobility scooter that needs to charge. As we pan around, here is the bathroom, which we'll show you in just a moment. The room has a different configuration than most staterooms. Here is the desk area with a bed next to it and two small nightstands. Lots of storage area with the TV. Our first closet has accessible features. I found that the clothes rack was a little hard to pull down and raise back up. A look at the main drawers and shelves below the TV. The closet also has a full-length mirror. Next to the window is more shelves, the safe, and the mini fridge. An emergency call button is located next to the bed for assistance. A quick look at the desk area shows a chair, stool, the hairdryer, and 3 drawers. There are 3 110 outlets, a European plug, and a switch for the light above the desk. Back to the front door, we have a makeup room switch, a do not disturb switch, the main cabin light switch, and additional emergency buttons. Located on both sides of the bed, we have reading lights and USB ports. Next to the window, there are switches to control the cabin lights and accent lighting above the bed. And now for the bathroom. The shower has easy accessible floor if a wheelchair or walker is needed. A chair located on the left can be pulled down if necessary, along with a grab bar and typical detachable shower head, shower controls, and shampoo and body wash. The shower curtain pulls all the way around and drains in the floor, assuring that no water floods the rest of the bathroom area. Next, the toilet area has several grab bars and one that lowers for additional assistance. A long emergency pull to the left can be used if a fall occurs. The mirror above the vanity is adjustable if one's mobility is limited. Here's a plug for shavers. Let's take a look out on the balcony and a sneak peek of Seattle. There is a slight ramp leading to the balcony through the door. The balcony floor has been raised for accessibility. Because this is an accessible aft balcony, it is larger than most aft balconies. Hey guys, we thank you for watching. Be sure to check out one of these videos, and we'll catch you next time as we go cruising through life one port at a time.